Hello and welcome to another guitar tutorial. On today's episode, we are going to be learning a very easy and simple song, which is called Yahweh Will Manifest Himself. And shout out to Peace Next. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that rightly, but he or she is the one that suggested that we learn this song together on this channel. So without wasting any of our time, let's go right straight into the tutorial of this song. So for this song, we are going to be needing 6 easy chords. The only chord that you might be having issue with in this song is the B minor. But it's a good thing because as a beginner, when you get used to a particular chord and you are comfortable with those chords, when you have a new chord that you are still struggling with and it's just one of those chords that you're including in a particular song, it helps you to strengthen and to also expand on your chords. So the chord that is going to be the little bit of challenge for a beginner in this song is B minor. I know there are several ways to play B minor, but the way that I prefer to play it is the bar chord way. I just feel like it's the easiest way at the end of the day, because once you memorize it, once you know it, your hand will just go straight there. And this is how to play B minor. So it's the only chord I'm going to be explaining, because every other chord that is included in this song, I've already talked about it on this channel. And I'm going to be also adding the chord charts on the screen so that you can follow along. So for you to play a B minor chord, you need your index finger to bar the 2nd fret. And then your middle finger is going to be on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Your ring finger is going to be on the 4th string, 4th fret. And then your pinky is going to be on the 3rd string, 4th fret. So just look at the chord chart on the screen, and you can also look at my hand. So this is how to hold a B minor chord. So that's the only chord that could be challenging, and you're going to be strumming it from the 5th string downward. So that's your B minor. And I want you to practice in this song, how you're going to transition to B minor is from D to B minor. So if you're having challenges there, you just need to pause on how you transition. Just take a few moments to just practice it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Just spend 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You will see that you master it. Just spend it on that, and you'll see that it will be easier for you to play along with the song. Now that we have settled that, the strumming pattern for this song is also very simple. So the strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. When the person who suggested this song, the person requested for the finger picking pattern. When I listened to the original song, I could only hear some picking on the electric guitar, not on the acoustic. I might be wrong, but then I will also teach you, at the end of this video, I'm going to teach you how you can also finger pick this song. So what they play for the intro of this song is exactly what they play for the chorus. And they started with the chorus. They started this song with the chorus. So I'll just teach you the chorus straight so you can use the same chord for your intro. So the song started with Jai C, Ra Fa D, L B minor, Sha E minor, then G over B, C, Adonai D, will manifest himself, E minor. So for you to understand this chorus, I'm just going to be using the beat, like counting the beat for you so that you can understand it. I know it's a very simple song. There are other tutorials out there, but there is something that I think will help a beginner, which is counting it for you, because in the middle there is what we call a passing chord. In between, from E minor back to C, there was a passing chord, which is the G over D. So it's a passing chord. So I'm just going to show you how they use it in that song so that you can understand it. So now I'm just going to be counting the beats and be showing you the chord on the screen, because I can't be counting the beats and be mentioning the chord at the same time. So it's just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I did there is just that when you go to the E minor, you only do 3. 1, 2, 3. Then your 4 will be on the G over B. 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then D. 2. Manifest Himself. E minor. 2, 3, 4. That's very, very easy song to play, as you can see. So it's very, very easy. And for the verse of the song, you start from E minor. Glory is tangible in this place. D. Lord, you're doing something great. C. Awaken supernatural faith. D. And then you repeat that again. Your glory is tangible in this place. D. Lord, you're doing something great. C. Awaken supernatural faith. D. And you go back to chorus. Yahweh. D. Elohim, B minor. Shaddai, then G over D to C. Adonai, manifest, E minor. So that is the verse and the chorus together. As you can notice, I have been down with cold, so my voice is not really sounding the way it should. I hope you'll be able to manage it. So for the if we're calling E minor, He will manifest Himself. D. If we're calling, He will manifest Himself. C. If we're calling, He will manifest Himself. C. D. So that is the bridge. That's the bridge. So easy. Yahweh, Rapha, Elohim, Shaddai, Jireh, Adonai, manifest Himself. So what I'm doing is that for the chords, I'm just picking the 4 strings. I'm just doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on C, of course, I'm starting from the 5th string. That's the root note. 2, 3, 4. And I'm just going down like 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that 5, 4, 3, 2 is the string. The 5th string, 4, 3, 2 string. So I wasn't playing the 1 string. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for my picking hands, so for any strings, once you are playing the last 3 strings, that's the 6, 5, 4. You use your thumb. That's the rule. That's the general rule. And your index finger plays the third string. Your middle finger plays the 2nd string, and your ring finger plays the 1st string. That's the rule of thumb for finger picking. So I'm doing yeah. So I'm using my thumb for the 5 and 4. Then I go to D. For D, I'm using my thumb, index, middle, ring. So I hope you can see that. Then the B minor. Elohim. You start from the number 5 string, like the way you play C exactly. Elohim. To E minor. From E minor, you play the 6th string. That's the root note. Shaddai. So for this E minor, I'm playing the 6th string, 4th string, 3, and 2. So my thumb is playing the 6 and 4, and my index finger, they are in the place that they are supposed to be. Like I told you, the index is playing the 3rd and the middle is playing the 2nd string. So then you go to the G over B. So for the G over B, you play it like you play the C. Then you go back to C again. Ado D, E minor. Again, Yahweh, C, Rafa, D, Elohim, B minor, Shaddai, E minor, Jireh, C, Ado D, Manifest Himself. So you can use this picking pattern on all of the song, even when you are playing the verse. So if I want to play the verse without picking patterns, it just be your glory, E minor, tangible in this place, D, da, 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 C, da, 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 da. So this picking pattern goes for all of the song. You can use this picking pattern from top to bottom. But if you want to just add some dynamics, maybe in the verse, you can do glory, tangible in this place. God, you're doing something great. You can just cool it down a bit. Making supernatural faith. So I'm still doing the same thing, but I'm not doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just cooling it down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it? If that is too much for you, you can just start with that. So when you want to do the chorus also, you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Elohim, Shaddai, Jireh, Adonai will manifest Himself. I think this will really work for beginners. If you are just learning how to do finger picking, this will be a very good one. And it sounds good. Sounds good. And then when you are comfortable, then you can increase it to So I think I've given you everything that you can use to play this song comfortably and confidently, either by finger picking or by strumming. I think I've done justice to this song. So thank you so much for everyone on this channel. You guys have been so lovely. I've been loving the feedback, the comment. They've been keeping me to want to come back and teach more and more guitar songs. I'm working on another song. So if you have any other songs that you would like me to do or to talk about, please drop it in the comments, because on this channel we don't just teach the guitar how to play it. We make sure that everybody can understand it. So, and if there's anything that is not clear, you can write it down. I can make a video. And yeah, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe to this channel, because that's going to be very encouraging. And God bless you all, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.